I cannot tell you how many times I visit with seniors in my office who think they have created a trust and therefore their assets are protected. The truth is that most trusts do nothing to protect your assets from the costs of healthcare, nursing homes, or other creditors. Remember that there are many different kinds of trusts. If you come in my office and meet with me, I will say that to you at least once. Many, many different kinds of trusts. And one of the most popular estate planning trusts, the Revocable Living Trust, is an important part of your estate plan. I like them, but it does not protect your assets. A Revocable Living Trust provides an efficient, private plan if you are incapacitated and for when you die. I want my clients to understand the limitations of a Revocable Living Trust in addition to the benefits. So let me explain the differences between a Revocable Living Trust and an Irrevocable Living Trust. There are different types of irrevocable trusts. Some are for wealthier clients who are engaging in asset protection and charitable planning. But in this video, I want to talk about the irrevocable trusts that we draft that are designed for the average American family. You don't need to be super wealthy to need asset protection planning. For average families worried about paying for long-term care, we prepare trusts to protect your assets and help you pay for the care you may need later on. And we also prepare specialized trusts to help our veterans qualify for a pension that will help cover the costs of their health care. The high costs of long-term care has made planning a critically important issue for most middle-class seniors and their families. In fact, most seniors will likely require some form of long-term care. Look up the statistics. 70% of Americans who live to age 65 will need long-term care at some time in their lives, and 50% of all couples and 70% of single persons become impoverished within 1 year after entering a nursing home. Sadly, many of these people are unprepared for the significant financial burdens nursing home care places on their family savings. Financial devastation looms for a family facing ongoing care at a rate of $10,000 or more per month. And while some seniors are able to afford private pay care, the cost of long-term care will wipe out savings of all but the wealthiest families in a matter of years. Unfortunately, many people can't afford the high cost of long-term care insurance, or worse, because of their age or medical condition, they can't qualify for it. Even if you have long-term care insurance, you should be aware of what your policy covers, because many policies have high deductibles, or they provide coverage for only a short period of time in a facility. In fact, many people who have long-term care insurance still wind up resorting to Medicaid to pay for their care. So what is Medicaid? Medicaid provides medical assistance to low-income people, including those who are 65 or older, disabled, or blind. And Medicaid is the single largest payer of nursing home bills in America. It serves as the option of last resort for people who have no other way to finance their long-term care. After all, $10,000 a month is not a figure that most people are able to pay. And it's no longer very easy to qualify for Medicaid. It's not as easy as reviewing your bank statements. There are many regulations, including look-back periods, income caps, transfer penalties, and waiting periods. And we have to plan around all of those. The law requires you to be impoverished before qualifying for Medicaid assistance. And the quality of care is not what most people would want for themselves or their family. So one example that I give often when I'm speaking with clients in my office is you have to think about what Medicaid is going to pay for. It's the minimum. And the fact is that if you've had a family member go in a nursing home on Medicaid, you know what I'm talking about. You won't have the luxury of a personal caregiver to get you to the bathroom. Most folks are put in diapers because that is a cost-effective, government-paid-for option. And if you want more for your loved one, maybe you would like your family member or yourself to be able to afford that extra bit, that caregiver who can attend to your needs or help you attend to your needs. You have to plan ahead to cover the costs. Our law firm has the experience and the expertise in elder law to help avoid financial ruin associated with the high costs of long-term care. And we assist our clients with the preparation of irrevocable trusts. Irrevocable trusts that we create for the average American family. Specialized trusts for veterans, income cap trusts, and trusts that will protect your spouse if you are in need of long-term care. We offer the revocable living trust, but we also make sure that you understand the limitations of a simple revocable living trust as compared to the option to plan for long-term care with an irrevocable trust. The trust that goes beyond a living trust has options that can help you prepare to pay for the costs of a nursing home. We offer trusts that can, in fact, protect your assets and help you through a future difficult time. So remember, not all trusts are created equal. The protection is built into the trust. Just calling a piece of paper a trust doesn't mean anything. And at Alex Kincaid Law, we can help you protect and preserve your estate while building a sound model for your future health care. Our long-term care planning strategies involve the proper use of special trusts and other estate planning tools to help you meet your goals. So call us for your free consultation. We give free consults for both estate planning and elder law, and we would love to be able to give you more information at that meeting.